Hello everyone, welcome back to the Promine tip of the month. In this opportunity, we are going to learn how to set up and import survey stations to a database using the Promine survey module in the AutoCAD and BricsCAD platform. As we said in the Promine tips of the month introduction, here we have on-the-ground drift information, and we are going to import into the drawing the survey station, and while doing this, at the same time, we are gonna make those stations be storage in a database. First of all, we need to set up this database in order to let the software know uh, what file and what kind of database we are gonna use. For this, we are gonna hit the Promine survey general options. Is this check mark, green check mark is located in the right lower corner of the module. Immediately will pop up this dialog box, and mainly the information or the databases are set up in the survey types. It's important to let you know that the survey type refers to the kind of format that the total station export, or in some cases, some total station uses or survey instrument uses a specific data format. In this case, I'm gonna use the CSV, but as you can see, we have ASCII, Helpdemeter, GSI, Leica, PLS, RAW, ISDR, and also we have also Topcon, TXT, and XYZ. Uh, First, I'm gonna show you the database configuration. Here is the database file that I'm gonna use. Is a MDB access. Here is the table. The table is named station, and inside the table there are the columns which have the station, the coordinates, x, y, and z, or east, north, and elevation. And also we have another field that could be populated while importing the service station. So what do we have to do? In this case, we select the survey type. In this case, is a CSV file. We hit edit, and immediately it will pop up the dialog box, and in the lower part, in the bottom of the dialog box, there is a button named database configuration. We click on this option. Immediately it will show up the databases types that are available to use in Proma. In this case, I'm gonna use the Microsoft Access NDB. I hit OK, I select the file, I hit open, and immediately it will show up this dialog box where I'm gonna select the station. I'm gonna match the fields with the column of the file. In this case, for example, the station that is refers the name of the station. I select the station column. For the east, I select the east column, north, and elevation. As we said before, we also have some information that can be populated while importing the survey. For example, the crew. After I set up the database, I hit OK, OK, and when I arrive to this dialog box, I hit save in order to save the setup that have been just done. Uh, has been just done. Well, this is how to set up the database. Now we are going to know how to import the information and make those station information are stored automatically in the just set up database. For this, I have a file, a CSV file, named tip of the month 2023-10. Look at how the extension is CSV. So I'm gonna click on the command process file, I select the job type CSV. I hit OK. Immediately, I will look for the file are gonna is gonna be import. Hit open. And now in this dialog box, I'm gonna match the column of the file with the uh, I'm going to specify the column position regarding the field that needs to be import. First of all, I set up the point code. The point code in this case is the column 1. Point number is the column 5, is the last column, which has the name of the stations. Of course, there is northern elevation, 2, 3, and 4, and the delimiter. The delimiter in this case is a comma. I hit OK. As you can see here, the file is being written by the software. And in the bottom of this dialog box, there is an option set named Insert Stations in Database. This option has to be toggled. Make sure that this option is enabled. After this, click on OK, and immediately the software will start to import the station and grab them to the database. As you can see, there is another field that can be populated by the user. I'm gonna put here my name initials, CN. Look at how the information is being drawing or inserted in the drawing, and of course, this information is recording to the database. If we go and look for the database, we are going to be able to see how the station were imported. Here are thief of the month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here we have the coordinates information and the crew information that was added. It has been all for the Promine tip of the month. For more information about how to use our Promine tools, you can contact us through our communication channels info.promine at promine.com, support at promine.com. Visit our webpage or website www.promine.com, or follow us in our social medias and YouTube channel. My name is Carlos Morales, Technical Support Specialist. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.